How to contact Lyft Customer Service. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. In the search box, type in Lyft Help Center and then search for it. Now navigate to this one website option, help.lyft.com. You'll be directed to this page. Now scrolling down, you're gonna find different topics. These are the topics in which people are mostly facing the issue. Now scroll down and click on the option of Contact Us. You will be prompted to log into your account. Or also you can use the option I don't have an account or I can't access my account. In the case you do have an account, click on Login. Provide your Lyft account's credential and log into your account. After you log in, you will be directed to this page. Now select how they can help you. If you are a rider, driver, applicant, or none of above, then you can explain why you are here. Just complete these question and answer process. If still you haven't got your answer, what you can do is click on the option I still need help. You'll be directed to this page. You can fill out this form, provide all the details, and briefly explain about the issue and send it. With that, Lyft Customer Service team will get back to you. So this way you can easily contact Lyft Customer Service. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.